Tooth Fairy here? Oh, hi! What's new? Wait, I already know. Someone special lost a tooth. How exciting! May I speak with them, please?
Hi there, it's a good fantastic. Let's give her a smile.
Hi there! This is so fantastic. Let me see your smile.
Hello, is it Upper Tooth Fairy? I'm sorry to talk. Awesome. Let's see more.
That is so cool, and you look awesome. Tell me how it feels.
That is yours. Hello, is it Upper Tooth Fairy? I'm sorry to be watching again. But it's a formidable number.
Now, I want you to continue to brush and floss every morning and every night, but leave that tooth under your pillow before you go to bed, and I'll make sure to leave you something special for when you wake up. I can hardly wait. Go to bed early so I can come soon. Floss, floss. Bye!